to change them, because in the past 8 or 9 months I have had no riding plans, no road trips, and nor was I going to go fast anyways. I was going to use the bike anyway only for the city. This would be a good time to get it done, so we are on our way. The tires that I have right now are the Apollo Alpha H1s, and the tires that I am going to get installed are the Apollo Trampler XR. So they are more off-road oriented. I believe they're 70-30 tires, so 70% on road and 30% off-road. Yeah, they have a different pattern on the tire. I'll be interested in seeing how the bike handles with those tires, because they are slightly knobby tires. You know, the pattern is good enough to ride over some very bad roads. I was checking the reviews of the tire. Some people say there's you get tire noise while going over the highway at cruising speeds. That is fine by me as long as the tires perform well and they are high quality, which I believe they are. They are rated up to 210 kilometers per hour. Current tires, Apollo Alpha H1, are rated up to 270 kilometers per hour. Now 210 and 270 kilometers per hour are way above what the Duke 390 can achieve. So yeah, even the current tires that I'm going to get installed are pretty high quality. I just spoke to the dealer, the tire dealer. He's located at Senapati Bapat Road, and I have told him to get fresh tires, 2025 manufactured. So he says he has them, so let's go and check it out. Apart from that, I need to get the rear brakes pads changed, and then when I go to the service center to get that done, I will also get the throttle body cleaned, so the engine breathes more freely. I'm very excited. The weather is also clearing up slowly, day by day is getting better. Cyclones are coming and going, but overall the monsoons are receding. I have only 10 kilometers range remaining, so I have to get petrol filled up also. Rear tire is expendable. We are about to change the rear tire. Then I got an idea. Why not do a burnout before we get the new tire installed? So let's try it out. Chalo, let's go. You see the smoke over there? After the burnout, let's see what the situation of the tire is. Yeah, it's very hot. See the tire marks? Fun. It's time to head to the tire shop and get the Duke 390 a brand new pair of tires. I'll be changing both the front as well as rear, so it's going to be matching. I still could have done more burnouts, but then it started attracting a lot of attention, so then it was time to get out of there. The tire shop is just around the corner. Take a left turn from the signal ahead and we reach the Apollo dealership. You get amazing chai over here. Kunda chai. Recommended. And here it is, Metro tires.
साइड पूरा ये हो गया है।
दब गया है नीचे।
गाड़ी आपको थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा होगा ना,
हाँ हाँ
तो
हाँ,
स्लिप होने का चांस ज़्यादा है।
स्लिप होने का चांस। और अभी ये किया मैंने यहाँ पे, मैं बोला चेंज करने के टायर तो मार देंगे अभी। गया है क्या, और थोड़ा कर सकते हो?
टायर तो गया है,
गया है ना।
वॉल वगैरह भी चेंज करने का ना।
कितना जाएगा?
ये आपको
अच्छा तो नॉर्मल ही लग रहा है मुझे।
कौन-सा भी है वो?
So these are the tires that I had on the bike. Very good quality tires. Speed rating 270 kilometers per hour. Very nice. But now I'm gonna get this installed. Crampler XR. This is not the size of the Duke 390. This is 130. The Duke requires 150, so slightly wider. Yeah. So yeah, like I was saying, look at the pattern. It's going to be good for off-roading. And plus it's a little cheaper than the Alpha H1. I love a good tire showroom. The smell of new tires is amazing. So this shop is located at Senapati Bapat Road. It's called Metro Tires. Okay. The tires are on the way. It'll take 15-20 minutes. Let's go have some chai. Hey, लग गया? The tires are looking pretty good. The tire, the rear tire, the front tire is still not changed. We're going to change this next. This is the front tire. Wow. Look at the pattern. Very good. It's got a little compass logo over here. की बाजू कौन सी है?
उसका बेस्ट
पीछे 38 और आगे
आगे 28 से 30
28 से वो वाल्व ने. So we are making the bill. I want to see how many kilometers I have clocked so far. 43,351. Let's add that in our bill for our record. चलो भैया, थैंक यू. ओके, ठीक है ठीक है. ओके. Brand new tires at 44,350. Let's see. Nice, feels very good.